In the heartbeat of our land, unity's the call. Through the storms and the struggles, we rise, never fall. Roots run deep in our soil, standing strong like a tree. Eritrea's pride shines bright, forever we will be free. Together we will stand, no matter the fight. With love and respect, we'll hold on tight. And Mickey online speaking, together we're strong, facing all challenges, it's where we belong. Eritrea's our heart, and our story won't end. With unity and peace, our message we send. From the Red Sea to the hills, our voices will not fade. Echoing through the valleys, the foundation we lay. We built this from the ashes with courage and grace. With faith in our hearts, we'll reclaim our space. They can't break our spirit, we re-rising like the sun. Together we'll shine, our journey's just begun. And Mickey online speaking, together we're strong, facing all challenges, it's where we belong. Eritrea's our heart, and our story won't end. With unity and peace, our message we send.